Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Flow Channel, the place where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Henry. Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today. Wherever you are in the world, welcome.
Today, we're going to share a secret, a real secret, something that most English courses never teach you. Something that could completely transform the way you speak English, starting today.
Yes, and this secret has nothing to do with grammar rules, nothing to do with vocabulary lists, nothing to do with hours and hours of study. It is about something much simpler and much more powerful. It is about how you think.
The biggest thing standing between you and fluency is not your English. It is the fact that you are still thinking in your native language and then translating into English. And today, we are going to change that forever.
Emily, do you remember the moment you stopped translating and started thinking directly in English?
I do. It was not one dramatic moment. It was a gradual shift. One day I noticed I was dreaming in English. And I thought, something has changed. My brain has switched. And from that moment, everything felt so much easier and so much more natural.
Dreaming in English. That is the ultimate sign that your brain has made the switch. And today, we are going to give you the exact 2-minute daily method to make that switch happen for you. Are you ready?
Let's go!
Let's start with the problem. When most learners want to say something in English, what do? They think of the idea in their native language. Then, they mentally translate it word by word into English. Then they check if the grammar is correct. And then, they speak.
And by the time all of that has happened, 5 seconds have passed. The conversation has moved on. The moment is gone. And you feel left behind. Frustrated, embarrassed, and less confident than before.
I know this feeling so well. In my early days of learning a new language, I was always 5 sentences behind in every conversation. Always translating, always catching up. Never quite there.
The problem is that translating is a slow process. Your brain has to do too many steps. Native speakers do not do this. When a native speaker wants to say, "I am hungry," they do not think the concept first and then translate. The English words just come, automatically, instantly, without any intermediate step.
This is what linguists call automaticity. The ability to produce language automatically, without conscious effort. Like driving a car. When you first learn to drive, you think about every single action. Mirror, signal, brake, accelerate. It is exhausting. But after years of driving, you just drive. Your body does it automatically.
Fluent English is exactly the same. The goal is not to think about English. The goal is to think in English, directly, automatically, without the translation step in the middle.
And the beautiful truth is, this is not something that only gifted people can do. Anyone can train their brain to think in English. It just requires the right method, practiced consistently every single day. Even for just 2 minutes.
2 minutes, that is all. But 2 consistent minutes every day will change everything. Let's show you how. Okay, here it is. The 2-minute daily method for thinking in English. There are 4 steps, and each step takes just 30 seconds. Total, 2 minutes, every single day. Let's go through each step together.
Step 1. Label your world. For 30 seconds, look around wherever you are right now and name everything you see, in English, in your head. Silently or out loud. Chair, table, window, cup, phone, lamp, book, door, wall, sky.
Look around right now. What do you see? Name it in English. Not in your native language, directly in English. I can see a white sofa, a wooden table, a green plant, a blue cushion, a warm lamp, a bookshelf full of books. Just name things. Just label your world. 30 seconds. Go.
Did you do it? This simple exercise, done every day, trains your brain to associate your real physical world directly with English words, without any native language in between. Your environment becomes an English environment.
Step 2. Describe your action. For 30 seconds, describe what you are currently doing in English. In your head. Present continuous tense. I am sitting on my sofa. I am watching an English video. I am listening carefully. I am learning something new. I am practicing my English. I am improving every single day.
Try it now. What are you doing right now? Describe it in English. I am watching a video. I am sitting at my desk. I am drinking coffee. I am taking notes. I am concentrating hard. 30 seconds. Go.
Beautiful. This trains your brain to narrate your life in English, to think about your actions directly in English, without translating. Over time, your brain will start doing this automatically, even when you are not practicing.
Step 3. Ask yourself a question. For 30 seconds, ask yourself a simple question in English and answer it in English, in your head. Just one question. How am I feeling right now? What did I do today? What am I looking forward to? What made me smile today? What is something I am grateful for?
For example, how am I feeling right now? Answer: I am feeling really good today. I am energized and focused. I had a great morning and I am excited about this lesson. Just like that. Simple, honest, 30 seconds in English. Go.
This step is powerful because it trains your brain to think about your inner world, your feelings, your thoughts, your experiences, directly in English. This is where the real switch happens. When you can think about your feelings in English, you are truly thinking in English.
Step 4. English micro-story. For 30 seconds, tell yourself a tiny story in English. About your day, about your week, about something that happened. Just 2 or 3 sentences. This morning, I woke up early. I made coffee and sat by the window. The sun was shining and I felt really peaceful. Simple, real, in English. Go.
That is it. 4 steps. 30 seconds each. 2 minutes total. Done every day, this method will gradually and then suddenly switch your brain from translating mode to thinking in English mode. And once that switch happens, fluency follows naturally. Now, let's talk about how to accelerate this process. How to make the switch happen faster. Because while the 2-minute method is powerful, there are other things you can do throughout your day to build your English thinking muscle even faster.
Tip 1. English first thing. The very first thought of your day, make it in English. When your alarm goes off and you open your eyes, before you do anything else, have one English thought. Good morning. It is time to get up. Today is going to be a great day. Just one. First thing. Every morning.
This sets the tone for your whole day. It tells your brain, today we are operating in English mode. And that sets a beautiful intention for everything that follows.
Tip 2. English emotions. When you feel something during your day, name that emotion in English, not in your native language, in English. I feel happy. I am a little tired. I feel excited about this. I am a bit nervous. I feel proud of myself.
This one changed everything for me. When I started labeling my emotions in English, I started feeling more connected to the language. Because emotions are at the heart of who we are. When English became the language of my emotions, it became my language.
Tip 3. English self-talk. We all have an inner voice, the voice in our heads that narrates our life. Start switching that inner voice to English. When you are cooking, think in English. I need to add more salt. The pasta is almost ready. This smells amazing. When you are walking, think in English. It is a beautiful day. I love this street. I am going to the coffee shop.
This is the most powerful tip of all, because your inner voice talks all day. If you can switch even 20% of your inner voice to English, you're practicing English for hours every single day, without any extra effort.
Tip 4. English dreams. This sounds strange, but you can actually influence what language you dream in. If you spend time in English right before you sleep, reading, listening, or doing our 2-minute method, your brain processes that language during sleep, and over time, you start to dream in English. And when you dream in English, you have truly made the switch.
Tip 5. Forgive your native language. Here is something important. You do not need to eliminate your native language to think in English. Your native language is part of you. It is beautiful and precious. The goal is not to replace it, but to add English as a second thinking language, to become bilingual in your mind. Emily, I want to try something with you. I want us to think out loud together, in real time, about our mornings. Just stream of consciousness, just whatever comes into our heads, in English, naturally. Is that okay?
I love this idea. Let's do it. You go first.
Okay, so this morning, I woke up, I think it was around 7, and my first thought was, I need coffee, immediately. So I went to the kitchen. It was cold. I remember thinking, why is it so cold? I need to check the heating. Then I made coffee, black, no sugar, the way I always have it, and I sat by the window. And it was, actually, really beautiful. The light was this soft, golden morning light. And I just sat there for a moment, just breathing, just being. And I thought, this is a good day. This is going to be a good day.
Henry, that was beautiful and so natural. Now me. Okay, this morning I actually woke up before my alarm, which never happens. And my first thought was, did I oversleep? But no, it was only 6:15. And I felt this rare and wonderful thing. I felt rested, properly rested, which for me is quite unusual. So I made tea, not coffee. I am a tea person. And I sat down and I started thinking about today's lesson. And I felt this excitement, this genuine excitement, like I could not wait to share this with everyone. And here we are.
Did you notice? We were not thinking about grammar. We were not planning sentences. We were just talking, thinking out loud, in English. That is what fluency feels like. That is what thinking in English feels like. Natural, flowing, real.
And you can do this too. Right now, after this video, just sit quietly for 2 minutes and think out loud in English about your morning. What happened? What you saw? What you felt? What you thought? Just let the English flow. Don't judge it. Don't correct it. Just let it come.
Key phrases for thinking out loud. My first thought was, I remember thinking, and then I thought, I felt this sense of, and I just sat there. And here we are. These are the natural phrases of real English thought. Use them.
What a transformative lesson today. Let's do our vocabulary review.
First, automaticity. The ability to do something automatically, without conscious effort. The goal of thinking in English is to achieve automaticity, where English flows without thinking.
Translate. To convert words or ideas from one language into another. The goal is to stop translating and start thinking directly in English.
Stream of consciousness. A continuous flow of thoughts and feelings as they naturally occur, without editing or planning. Thinking out loud is a form of stream of consciousness in English.
Inner voice. The internal mental voice that narrates our thoughts and experiences. Switching your inner voice to English is one of the most powerful fluency tools.
Bilingual. Able to speak and think in two languages fluently. The goal is not to replace your native language, but to become bilingual in your mind.
Intention. A conscious decision or commitment to do something. Setting the intention to think in English first thing every morning changes your whole day.
And finally, gradual. Happening slowly and steadily over time, not all at once. The switch from translating to thinking in English is gradual, but with daily practice, it happens.
Remember, you do not need hours. You need 2 minutes. Every single day. 2 minutes of intentional English thinking every morning, and your brain will transform. Gradually, and then suddenly. And one day, you will realize you are dreaming in English. And you will smile, because you made it. Here is our question of the day. Try the 2-minute method right now after this video. Then come back and tell us, what did you think about in English? What did you label? What did you describe? What did you feel? Write it in the comments, in English.
We read every single comment, and your comment, written in English, is your 2-minute practice for today. So write something, anything, in English. You have got this.
Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts for watching all the way to the end today. You just learned the secret that will change everything. Now, go practice. Go think. Go dream. In English.
If this lesson was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow and lets us make more free lessons for you every week.
And please subscribe to Mr. English Flow so you never miss a new lesson.
2 minutes, every day, starting today. That is the secret. That is the method. That is the path to thinking, and dreaming, and living in English. You are ready. Start now.
We will see you in the very next video. Until then, think in English. Dream in English. Be in English. You are more ready than you know.
Keep practicing. Bye for now.
Bye-bye. See you soon.